Definitive solution to constipation. Do not tell me that you suffer from constipation in silence. You have already tried several things to remedy it. Let's see if you know this. Fiber, water and physical activity. Did the doctor tell you? Me, yes, and you, too. Why is so difficult? For the eating habits we have the majority. I'm not going to propose a change of habits. I'm just going to give a recipe against constipation that works yes or yes. You can prepare it as a snack in the middle of the morning, in the afternoon or to substitute a dinner. In 3 or 4 days, you will not believe it. And since there are many people with different allergies, I will give several options for each of the ingredients. Thus the allergic, intolerant or reluctant, will have much easier. All ingredients are sold in the supermarket. Here is a definitive solution against constipation. It is not a potion, it is a healthy snack that also will improve your intestinal transit a lot. Ingredients. 1. 150 grams of kefir. If you do not have kefir, you can use yogurt, or soy yogurt. 2. A good handful of nuts, walnuts and raw almonds. If you are allergic to nuts, you could put tiger nuts. 3. Half or 1 serving of fruit. Whatever you want, because there is no fruit that makes it. It changes depending on what the season or what you have in the fridge. 4. 2 teaspoons of flax seeds, best ground. 5. A teaspoon of sweetener, the one you prefer. I put xylitol. Instructions. 1. Seal all ingredients in a bowl. 2. Remove to dissolve the sweetener. 3. To eat, and to forget constipation. Notes. There is milk kefir and water kefir. You can also prepare in-house soy kefir or any vegetable milk.